The silent reason why your channel feels stuck. Do you know why? Let me tell you why. So maybe you've been fed, not that it's wrong, the idea that you need to be consistent each and every week by uploading videos each and every week and actually putting in the effort. This is what grows a channel, and that is not wrong. That is very true. Now, for many creators, this is not moving the needle. That nothing is happening. Week in and week out, you are putting in the effort, you are consistent, you're uploading every week, but you are not exploding. Your channel is not growing. What is happening? There is a problem. Something has changed on YouTube. And in a minute, I'll explain to you why. The problem is the YouTube algorithm does not reward the effort anymore. It does not reward you for simply uploading videos every week. But what the algorithm rewards is the audience retention. How the audience, how the viewers interact with your content. That is what the YouTube algorithm is rewarding nowadays. And your viewers watch patterns. All this is what the algorithm is rewarding. So it's not about you uploading 5 or 7 videos in a week. No, it's about how people are reacting to your videos, how people are engaging with your videos. So if you are creating videos and people are liking the videos, people are commenting on the videos, people are watching the videos, at least 50% of the videos, this shows the algorithm that you are a creative to be messed with. So you want to change something then. You don't want to create the same old content. In whatever it is you're doing, you want to make sure that people are engaging with your content. You want to create content that people love and want to engage on. Because if you go with the old saying that consistency is key, it's like you filling a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. That bucket is not getting filled, And so it's the same. Your channel is not going to grow if you don't cover up that hole in the bottom. How do you do this? Is by learning how to create content that is engaging on the platform. Because that is what the algorithm is all about. It's studying your viewers' behavior, how they behave when they click onto your video. Right after clicking onto it, are they watching past 5 seconds? Are they pressing like on the video? Are they sharing the video? Are they watching the video all the way through? This is what the algorithm is noticing now. This means you want to continually hooking your viewers. You want to continually keep hooking your viewers to keep watching your video. Create curiosity loops into your video. Like after a valuable point, throw in a question, a curious question that makes them want to continue watching the video. In so doing, then people are able to continue to watch your videos. What are the lessons? You want to guide your viewers. You just don't want to produce a video and leave it and hopefully people enjoy it. No. Create a video that guides them into the experience. Secondly, you want to make sure that you are hooking your audience, looping them to continue watching the video all the way to the end. Hopefully you don't get stuck forever and that your channel starts growing, and that happens by starting to implement changes today. If you found value in this video, please type yes if you want me to create a part 2 of this same video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because I'm bringing you such wonderful videos each and every week. I love you guys, and I see you in my next one.